as we explore the west side of the state park. This trunk right here is pretty cool. Look at this beautiful river right beside. We continue to hike along River Trail here in Smith Rock State Park in Central Oregon. And really enjoying this river and River Trail. Wind is definitely picking up. Winds this area. Feels like it's getting stronger. This area is pretty spectacular. Not only do we have this river next to us and this pretty trail, but stop and pan up and look at this incredible canyon formation above us towering down. Look at this. This is beautiful. We got canyon walls to our right, trail straight ahead, and beautiful. Hiking on a river trail, and got canyon views to our right, and very beautiful river views to our left. Absolutely beautiful. And I wanted to pan over and look at this beautiful canyon. It's looking down on us. Let's go down and take a look at this shoreline area. I think we are shoreline. Stop here and take a look as we continue to hike on River Trail, enjoying pretty great views of the canyon formation straight ahead, along with riverside perspective of mighty Crooked River, exploring the west side of Smith Rock State Park, and starting to see a little bit of fall colorage in this section. Bit of reds and yellows and oranges. Makes it pop a little bit more than it normally would.